We are going to learn these English to Nuer basic phrases. Please, before we start, if you are new to my channel, I would like you to help me by subscribing. Okay. Your air is beautiful. Your air is beautiful. Miemku gauke. Miemku gauke. Your air is beautiful. Miemku gauke. I did not take it. I did not take it. And kanakan. Kanakan. I did not take it. Kanakan. Here we go again. I did not take it. Kanakant. She is married to a lecturer. She is married to a lecturer. Jen chaja kwen engi duel gora. Jen chaja kwen engi duel gora. Jen cha kwen engi duel gora. She is married to a lecturer. I arrived in Rolnath. I arrived in Rolnath. En chachup Rolnath. En chachup Rolnath. Start again. Start again. Toke enyok. Toke enyok. Start again. Be careful. Be careful. Tit rodu. Tit rodu. Be careful. Your first. Your first. Dungdumeniam. Dungdumeniam. Your first. Do it by yourself. Poindu let near. Do it by yourself. Poindu let near. Do not touch. Shujatiap. Do not touch. Shujatiap. Do not touch. Shujatiap. Move a bit. Yutnero. A math. Yutro. A math. Ke yunero. A math. Move a bit. Yutro. A math. Ke yunero do jok. A math me jok ran yunero jok. Dear Larry yutro a math. Move a bit. I am very tired. I am very tired. And chachuj along. And chachuj along. And chachuj along. I am very tired. And chachuj along. How are you? Male. Male. Dere lara ka dupting one. You can also say it. Tedi keji. Weidi keji. In English, it is how are you? Male. I am listening. I am listening. En liangaji. En liangaja. En liangaja. I am listening. En liangaja. I am listening. En liangaja. I am very excited. I am very excited. En teloide along. En tesloide along. Here we have this word. Your air is beautiful. Air mean miem. Beautiful amigua kiegoke. Your air is beautiful mean miem kugoke. Okay, miem kugoke. I did not take it. I did not take it. Kanakan. Kanakan and Kanakan. I did not take it. She's married to a lecturer. She is married to a lecturer. Jen cha kwene ngidwel gora. She raje ke kwinyal. Married rami cha kwen. Lecturer ngidwel gora. She's married to a lecturer. Jen cha kwene ngidwel gora. I arrived. Michichop. I arrived in Rolnath. Rolnath. This is the land of Nuer. I arrived in Rolnath. En chachup Rolnath. En chachup Rolnath. Here, start again. Start again. Start took kia talk. Again enyok. Start again. Talk enyok. Be careful. Be careful. Tid rodu. Michi wala dim dwar. tit rod de ran jok tit rod dong amada rod mo ka botten bi jok tit rod. Be careful, tit rod. Your first dung dumenyam mete michi token yam. De jogana your first dung du menyam. Do it by yourself. This is what we talk about. We talk about this thing already. Be careful. Your first also dung du menyam. Do it by yourself. Do it by yourself. Point du lanie. Ki lanie ka point du. Ki lanie la jin. Jin point du lanie. Point du letnie. Do it by yourself. Yourself. Point du letnie. Do not touch. Do not touch. Touch metiab door tip. Do not magag door. Chuja tiap. You can put this. Chuja tiap. Chuja tiap. Move a bit. Move a mowaniam. You draw a math. This one we can cancel it. You draw a math. You know do nyam. You know do joke. The jogbon over nyam bogwadame. You know do her. Move closer. You know do her. But move a bit. You know do nyamki. You know do joke. You draw math. You can say that. Move a bit. I am very tired. I am very tired. And chuj along. Tired me to chuj. And I may past participle. You know. Pass ba. Ka word dung tire. Ka la present tense. Okay. And chuj along. I am very tired. And chuj along. Alright. How are you? How are you? Mal. Kakon lakon alarga dupti goal. They ran jog teddy, wedi, mal pointu. How are you? Mal. I am listening. Listening. Milling among order we can milling ja. Name take a present continuous tense. I am listening. And liangaja. And liangaja. I am lurani and listening lianga ja. Mungora linga door. I am listening. Well, I am very excited. I am very excited. I am lurani hand chimichi calling very along excited michi lodi chatet long time go michi talk. You are excited to see something. Mitem go day nen. I am very excited. Enteloid along. Enteloid along. Well, we come to the end of this lesson. If you are new to my channel, please, I would like you to help me by subscribing, and do not forget to share. Also, you can recommend any topic of your choice that I can prefer. Mi jin ramesheling na magoro bi nywa kanasen ko kien ko bikan agor English to Nuer ki thok nath basic phrases ko de randa ntere da kangach. And bana nyogo je kamado den biate kamal. Bye bye.